everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I know long time no see, but I was actually sick twice and today is my first day that I feel a little bit better, so I thought let me just go ahead and talk to you guys because you guys are my therapy. Whenever I see your comments once I post the video, it's like I'm talking to my friend, you know. So I was like, I need you guys. I have to record the video and talk to you guys. So anyways, yes, I'm back to normal. Today is my first day. Actually, everything started about a couple of weeks ago. So what happened is kids had their spring break and they were gonna go out with their friends to North Carolina. They were gonna drive there, and this is the first time they were taking vacation by themselves with their friends. So of course, as you can imagine, as a mom, I was so nervous. And they were gonna drive, which takes about 6 hours to get there. So of course, I knew the location where they were going. I knew the friends they were going with. But you know, I mean, this is the first time. Yes, they are adult, but there was no any other adult were with them. So I was very nervous. So anyways, they needed a few things from home. So we were like, okay, we'll come to your place, drop the stuff, and we'll spend the day there and come back. So we went there, dropped the stuff. Me and my husband went to lunch over there. There is a really nice Indian restaurant there. So we went there. And after we came home, I decided that I want to go to Outlet Mall. So when we went to their kids' place, I drove from back and forth, which takes about 4 hours, 2 hours to go and 2 hours to come back. And I like driving, you know, I don't mind at all. So I was driving. And when I went to Outlet Mall, I spent about, I would say, at least 4 or 5 hours there. Because, you know, when no one is with you, you can shop so comfortably. Otherwise, when the husband and kids are there, they are always like texting me. It's like, when are you coming out? Are you done now? And all that stuff, right? So I was like, no, let me just go and spend, you know, I just want to spend some time with myself. That's it. So I went and came home that night. My knee started hurting a little bit. Didn't pay attention, brush it off. I was like, whatever, you know. So because, you know, now I don't get to walk that much because of the weather. And now I work from home. All the time at home. So I was like, whatever, you know, because since maybe I must have not walked for that long, so that's why it must be hurting. Didn't pay attention, went to sleep. Next morning, I could not even get up from my bed. My knee was so swollen that I cannot even put my feet down. It was my right leg, and I cannot even put my feet down. I had to hop. And my husband is like, do you want to go to doctor? Do you want to get it checked out just to make sure? And I was like, no, let me see what's going on, you know? So I started putting the ice pack and all that stuff. 2 days, guys, 2 days I spent on the sofa and that's it. Even if I want to go upstairs to go to sleep at night, it would take me 5 minutes to go upstairs. Because I cannot walk straight at all. And I cannot move my, like, you know, now I can bend my knee, right? Before I cannot even bend my knee, nothing. It was so bad. So it took me about 4 days or so to get it over with it. And now completely fine. That pain is gone. I don't know what was it, but everything is fine. So then me and my husband, it was a weekend, and he's like, oh, we needed some Indian grocery, right? So we went there. And now the Indian grocery, the India Bazaar that I used to go, they also have their own restaurant in the store itself. So they sell the dosa and chaat and all that stuff. Their dosa is really good. So we were like, okay, now it's just 2 of us, right? So whenever we go out, we just eat somewhere. So we had a dinner there, and again, that night, completely fine. Next morning, middle of the night actually, I woke up and I started throwing up. It was so bad that I cannot even keep water down. Even if I sip like just a couple of sips of water, I throw up. It was really bad. I never had that kind of before at all. So that took me, I would say again, another 4 or 5 days. Today's the first day that I'm feeling normal. I'm feeling myself. And it's been few days that I haven't ate any solid food at all. I've been just having chash, and from yesterday actually I had a Sprite, and that's about it. That's the only thing I can keep it down. But other than that, I'm scared to eat any solid at this point, but I'm just drinking chash, and that I'm keeping down. That's so far that is good. So that's it. I just want to update you guys that yes, I haven't forgot you guys. I record few of the videos, but then I was like, I'll just add something else and then post the video and share with you guys. But after another things are happening. You can see the mess back there. I had a grocery from Costco, and see the mess is back there. My entire house is mess right now, by the way. I need to take care of it because when you are sick, you don't feel like doing anything, and things just sit where it is. So I also need to go and take care of myself. I need to do the eyebrows. It's getting out of control, but we'll do that some other time. But let's go in the kitchen. I want to show you my grocery shopping, and the one thing that I found this time at the Indian store, which I'm so happy about it. I'm so finally we can finally buy that here. So let's go in the kitchen. I'll show you. So this is what I'm most excited about. I'm so glad that we can get this here now, because I heard about this Amul Masti yogurt for so long, but never saw it at the Indian store. But I'm so glad now that we can get it here. As you can see, half of the can is done because I've been drinking chash, and it's so good. So if you can find this at your store, definitely highly recommend, get it. I'm sure you will like it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make myself another cup of chash, and that's about it. Actually, my husband, I do have the sabji ready, so he's like, don't worry about making roti or anything, I'll just eat that with the rice. So that's it. I just need to make the rice, and that's about it. I'll show you my fridge. It's empty, which usually never happen. But let me show you my... Okay, so let me show you my fridge. It is quite empty. Usually it doesn't happen. Yes, I got all the vegetables, but this time actually I didn't even get a chance to clean it. Usually once I buy it, I clean it and then put it in there. This time I didn't got any chance at all. I just shove everything in there. But also guys, this roti that we bought it, sorry, not the roti, the puri, my husband made it. It fluffed up really good. It is really nice, and it's made out of wheat flour. So if you are looking for, if you are making chole bhature or puri shak or something, and you want to have like nice puri, the big, and don't want to bother about rolling and all that stuff, I would highly suggest this. Try it. It's really good. So we just use one so far, but definitely highly recommend. I always buy the dosa batter from them. And I guess one of the other reason that I felt sick is because of this. Jalapeno peppers, sweet and hot, highly recommend, from Wegmans. If you don't have a Wegmans closer to you, Trader Joe also has it. And I also bought one of them from there. I believe it must be, yes, right there. The Trader Joe hot and sweet jalapeno pepper. Man, highly recommend. And this is my second bottle. Okay, guys, second bottle in less than a week or so. I ate this entire thing. This is my second one. As you can see, there is hardly like anything left, right? It's one or so. Jalapeno are not spicy in this one, the Wegmans one, but of course the Trader Joe one is the spicy one. But this one is so good. It's sweet, and I could not even control myself. So that could be one of the other reasons that I might be feeling sick also. But yeah, anyways, I have a sabji ready for my husband, so I'll just go ahead and make the rice. But I just want to share this with you guys. And yes, my sweet husband bought this apple. I think it is apple, right? Yeah, the pineapple and some different one that, you know, if I want to eat that, since I couldn't keep anything down. But yeah, so that's my fridge. Nothing exciting, just, you know, there is not hardly anything in there. Still have more grocery here that I just put it. I still need to wash it and put it in the fridge. These are the one, you know, it's okay if I keep it out, right? It's no big deal. And also, I went to Home Depot and I bought this plant. I really like it. It's something different, right? And this two bunny, actually, I bought it from Target because now the Easter is coming, right? So I was like, they were so cute. So I bought this two bunnies and this plant. I really like it. It's like, you know, someone need badly the haircut. So I really like this one. If you have this plant, guys, let me know how you take care of it, because I read like doesn't need a lot of water and all that stuff, and still I have a tag. Actually, I want to buy like nice pot for this. I think I'm gonna keep it here because it needs the light, medium light. Yeah, that's what it says. So I think I'm gonna keep it here. So if you have this plant, let me know how you guys take care of it, okay? Because this is the first time I bought it. It looks really nice, so that's the reason I bought it. I don't want to kill it, so let me know how to take care of this. So like I say, yes, this too, I bought it from Target, and also the duck. I don't know if you see that, but this two duck. There is the other one on the other side. I bought this duck from the Target. It is so cute. It was only $1, so I was like, I can just keep it here next to my artichoke. Also, so many of you asked me where I bought this artichoke. So it is from Home Goods. I would say during the summer or the springtime check, during that time I have usually seen it. So the other duck is right there. And yes, my love for the bird is always, you can see the birds throughout my house. This one actually I hot glue it so it doesn't, you know, fall anywhere. And there is the another one here. I really like this one so much. I used to have a parrot and it was just like this one. So that's the reason I bought it, and I just keep it right there. It is so cute. And I guess in other video I did show you guys that this plant finally giving me the flower. It was really, you know, last time it wasn't bloom, but now it's bloom and it looks so nice. This plant is doing so well here. So I'm just keeping it here, but it's really doing very well. And this is my other tulsi. Many of you actually told me that this is basil. To be honest with you guys, it doesn't smell like a basil at all. I bought this from Mandir, you know, thinking it is a tulsi, and I was wondering why it's not normal tulsi looking, right? So I asked you, many of you, and you say it's a basil. It doesn't smell like basil at all. I mean, I have smell the basil. This is totally different, but whatever it is, it's doing well here, so I'm just keeping it there. So before I forget, this is the restaurant that we went to. It's called Laziz. If you are in Charlottesville area, definitely highly recommend. Their food was excellent. So we had a lunch over there when we went to see boys. And now let me share with you my grocery haul. This is the huge grocery haul, guys. I got so many vegetables. I actually went to the Lotte or the Grandmat that I used to go before, because now I started making fresh juice every day. So I needed, quite a few, like carrot and the beet and celery and all that stuff. So I went over there as well. So these are the normal, and yes, definitely highly recommend this puri if you want to try it. It is made out of the wheat and tastes really good. I haven't tried it personally, but my husband said it's really good. Also, before I have bought this, the chana masala mix, and that also I would highly recommend that you can try it. Basically, that's what sits in there. It's the pre-mix masala is there, and then if it's a dal makhani, then of course the dal is there, but everything you had to cook. It's not like pre-cook or anything like that. Everything you had to cook, but like the masala is already ready for you. So once you boil the dal or the chana, you just have to follow the instruction and just add the masala in it, and that's about it. So these are the things that I bought it. And yes, if you are Gujarati, you know that we love this gantia so much, and finally we get it from here. So we bought actually quite a like 4 or 5 boxes, because my husband is a big fan of gantia, and so far we never used to get the gantia. We used to get the papra and the papri, but not the gantia. So I mean, we love that so much. All you need to do, especially for that, just warm it up in the oven for like, maybe 10 minutes or so, and then it tastes fresh. Also, as I was saying, the Amul Masti yogurt, highly, highly recommend, guys. It was so good. Turns out better, I always keep it on hand. Now, kids will be coming home for this summer, and they love this mango pulp. Even for the lassi and all that, I just use this mango pulp. There is no any added sugar, so that is really good. Now, most of my this vegetables is for the juice that I will be making, and of course, the normal vegetables that I usually get it. There is nothing special. And I will definitely share with you guys very soon this sabji that I made from the muli ki bhaji, right? That's what it's called. I made it. It came out so good. So definitely I'll share that recipe with you guys as well. But these are, yeah, my normal stuff that I usually get it. And by looking at this Karela, I actually need to make the juice. My husband is begging me to make the juice out of it. And I don't know, I'm just kind of postponing it. So I need to do that. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys soon in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.